Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to talk about this beautiful beauty box by Upakarma Ayurveda. So this is what the box looks like. This box is sent to me by the brand. I'm very grateful to Upakarma Ayurveda for sending their products to try out. So let's see what is there in this beautiful box. All the products which the brand Upakarma Ayurveda creates is made with the ancient formulas which is there in our tradition from a really long time, and so all of these are the ancient herbal formulas. One of their best sellers which is very well known is the Shilajit Resin. It is very popular in the Indian market, which is good for improvement of the strength and the immunity of the body. But I wanted to try their beauty product, so I opted for this box. So let's see what is there inside the box. This is what the inside of the box looks like. I am very impressed with the packaging. It feels so luxurious, and I feel like keeping this box in my wardrobe even after using this product. So I have three products here, as you can see. First one is the night serum for radiant glowing skin, which is an anti-aging saffron serum. The second product I have is the Badam Rogan sweet almond oil, and the third product that I have here is a vitamin C face serum for restoring and renewing skin. It contains vitamin C 20%. First, I will be talking about the Badam Rogan oil, which is made out of sweet almond oil. So first I will be talking about the Badam Rogan oil, which is my favorite product out of the three products here. So this Badam Rogan oil is extracted from pure edible almond. So this is 100% badam oil. There is nothing else included in this liquid. So this one retails for 435 rupees. And you know that oil, I love using oils on my body, and this particular oil, the badam oil, we can use it on our hair, we can use it on our body, and also we can use it as a nasal drop. Yes, so this container comes with a dropper as well. All of these products like this face serum as well as this oil, it comes with a drop. Because these are liquid, it is easy to take this out from the container, so you can use it, and it's a nasal drop which is gonna help you for better respiration. Badam oil helps to improve brain health, strengthens the nervous system, softens and nourishes skin, natural hair vitalizer, and it is also used for baby massage. So you can use this to massage your baby. Now, how do I use it? I use it as a moisturizer as well. So after taking shower, now winter is going on and skin is dry. So I use this on my body mainly. I'll be using this all over my body, and this is not very sticky, so you'll not, if you apply this on your body, even after taking shower, you'll not feel greasy. It gets absorbed to the body, and it helps to keep my body moisturized for a really long time. It actually works better than most of the moisturizers that I have in my collection. So I really like using this, and you can see I almost used this much in the last 1 week. Yes, I've been using this for the last 1 week, and almost I finished this much. And this is in glass bottle, so it is very good, because if it is in plastic bottle, if it is in plastic bottle, it will have some chemical reactions, but this is in glass, so there is no chemical reaction here. It is a pure badam oil, and it feels very luxurious when I use this oil on my body, to be true. I like using this very much, and I recommend it to everybody, especially for the winter season. It is very good for the hair as well. If your hair is dry and frizzy, you can use this. So I really like this product. Let me just use this right now. My hands are feeling a little dry, so I'll be using this stopper to take the liquid out. And here it is. Just 2 drops is fine. Just massage it in my body. You can see it is not greasy, and it is getting absorbed very fast on my hands. This product is the Upakarma Ayurveda Night Serum, which is for radiant skin, and this is an anti-aging saffron serum. So this serum contains saffron, and all of these products are paraben free, they are organic, and they are non-GMO. So these are mentioned in the packaging, and this one retails for 949 rupees. It is little expensive, but serums are expensive. All the serums that we get in the market are a little higher in the price. So what it is meant for is that it makes your skin radiant and youthful, provide instant hydration, fight damage caused by UV radiation. It weakens the wrinkles, repairs, protects, and prevents skin aging. So this is what the bottle looks like. This is I think 30. Yeah, this is a 30 ml bottle, and you can just use it directly on your hand and then apply it on your face, or it comes with a stopper like this. You can use this stopper to take the liquid out. It is little dense. It is not liquidy, very liquidy. Smells very smoothing. So I can't show you how it. Okay, let me just take it in my hand, just one single drop. It is not as liquid as the oil, it is little thicker. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. So you're supposed to take 2 drops or 2 to 3 drops on your palm, and then massage it on your face. So after cleansing your face with a cleanser, before going to sleep, you're going to apply this and keep this throughout the night. So it is going to protect your skin and reduces the wrinkles if you're having. Basically, it is an anti-aging serum. After 25 years, means if we are 25 years and above, it is better to start the anti-aging process from right now. Moisturizers and other face creams are good. There are many good creams in the market, but serum is known for better results. So I definitely suggest you to include one serum in your daily routine. So I have been trying this product from the last 7 days, from the time I received it, every night. So before applying my moisturizer, first I apply this and then I use my regular moisturizer, and I have not seen major difference in my skin, but I do feel when I wake up in the morning that my face is having an extra glow. Yes, I do feel it, and my face actually shines so much, and it makes me feel very good. The third product which I have is the Upakarma Ayurveda Vitamin C face serum. We all know how important vitamin C is for our skin. Vitamin C is meant to repair the tissues, so it is very important for the growth of our skin. And the brand Upakarma Ayurveda have curated one vitamin C face serum, which is this product here, which contains also vitamin E, aloe vera, and hyaluronic acid. So this is going to provide your skin with vitamin C and vitamin E as well, which is actually meant for brightening of the dull skin, and also hydrates the skin and minimizes dark spots. So this is what the oil looks like. It is similar in texture to the previous oil, the night serum that I have shown you guys. Now this product you can use every day. If you are using both of this oil, then I suggest you to use it in the daytime. And of course this is a night serum, so this is for the night time. And also after applying this, you have to apply moisturizer. Both of these products, once you apply it, it will be little wet. Your face will be wet, but after 1 minute, it will just get soaked inside the skin. So you will feel dry. You will need a moisturizer after both of these products. So I do not use these products every day. So every night I will be using this product, but not this. This I use once or twice a week. If you want to use this product regularly, then you can use it in the daytime, and the night serum, as I said, in the night time. It is very important that we take care of our skin, of our hair, and these products are 100% authentic. They are made with the formulas which our ancestors are using, which our ancestors have used. I suggest you guys to use this brand, to try this brand out, especially the badam oil. And also if you are looking for some anti-aging product, you can go for the night serum, and if you want brightness, you can use the vitamin C serum. So these are the products, and this is the review. I hope it helps you in your purchase. See you soon. Bye.